Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello, hunters. In this video, I will explain how to farm Whetfish Fin Plus efficiently. These valuable items are absolutely crucial for maintaining your weapon's sharpness during intense hunts. They provide a quick, one-time restoration, saving you precious seconds. We'll cover the best locations, essential tools, and a simple strategy to gather plenty of these useful fins, ensuring your blades are always razor-sharp and ready for action. To begin your Whetfish Fin Plus farming journey, head straight to the Hoarfrost Reach. This icy region is by far the best place to find them. Specifically, you'll want to focus your efforts on the fishing spots located in Area 14 and Area 15. These particular zones boast a significantly higher spawn rate for Whetfish Fin Plus, making your farming efforts much more productive and rewarding. To maximize your Whetfish Fin Plus haul, there are a few key strategies. First, always use your fishing net tool. It gives you a chance to catch multiple fish simultaneously. Next, consider equipping the feline fisher skill, which significantly boosts your overall fishing success rate. Finally, bringing along some wetfish bait can attract even more wetfish to your spot, ensuring a plentiful catch every time. For an efficient farming loop, begin by starting an expedition or a simple quest in the Hoarfrost Reach. Immediately travel to the designated fishing spots in Area 14 or Area 15. Fish until the spots are completely depleted or you've gathered your desired amount of Whetfish Fin Plus. Once done, simply return to camp, restock if needed, and repeat the entire process for a continuous and abundant supply.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.